Fucking pump. Lagging off my balls. Oh. Lagging crazy, bro. Alright. I glitched it out. Damn. Unfortunate. So fuck me, man. My bad for not posting. I've been saving up content for 50k subs. Got a big edit coming. Yep. Happens like that sometimes. Unfortunately, boys. I wanted to film, because most of the shit that I post to YouTube is from streams. So I wanted to film a full nuke and post it for the boys. Because a lot of the stuff I've been getting for the 50k video have just been short clips. No, like full gameplays. So I'm sure some people miss these full gameplays. Well, that just sketched me off. Or that he just like sat there. Yup. You're right to cut me off. But you're gonna try and cut me off over there again? It ain't gonna work. Because this is the last kill I'll be by here, bitch. Ah ha ha ha. Yeah, you best believe you got it. No, where did it let me get this call off? Alright, well, 50k sub edit video coming soon. Maybe this will be in it. Fuck these kids, they're bad. GG's. We'll clip that. Fuck it. Alright. Little juke at the end.